There's no certain answer on how long a divorce will take in Georgia. A lot of it depends on which jurisdiction you're in, which county you're in, the court's backlog on cases in that county, and just how contested your case is. An uncontested divorce can be done in a couple of months. A highly contested case that is going to require trial, depending on which county you're in, may go on for 2 or 3 years or more. Oftentimes for most of our cases, I'd say an average of about a year, but again, it depends on if we're able to settle at mediation or if we have to go to trial. So the divorce process starts with a complaint for divorce, and that is one spouse quite literally suing the other spouse for divorce. The other spouse has to be served, and that spouse has 30 days to file an answer to the divorce. And the answer and the complaint get matched up, and we can see what things are going to be agreed upon and what things are going to be contested, and really where the case is going to develop from there. So in a divorce case, there are a number of different documents that are going to be required. Some of them are required by the court. Each court may have its own standing order of documents that it requires. There are some rules across Georgia on some of the documents that are required, and then the attorneys themselves are able to ask for additional documents. But we're looking generally at bank records, credit card statements, mortgage statements, retirement account statements. Anything with a dollar sign attached to it is generally going to be discoverable in a divorce case. If there's custody issues, we're going to be looking at school records, doctor's records, those sorts of things as well. Mediation is a process in the divorce where the parties are really given a lot of opportunity to shape the end result of their divorce. And mediations and divorce cases, the parties are generally going to be in separate rooms with a neutral mediator who's going between the rooms trying to find compromise and push the parties towards settling their case. I particularly like mediation and custody cases because it gives the parents the opportunity to decide what happens with their children, as opposed to leaving it all up to a judge who's only going to hear so much about your family before they just have to make a decision, and they're not in the best position to always to make those decisions. So mediation can speed up the process. If you have to have a trial, you're dependent on the court and that particular judge's docket and how backlogged they may be. So your divorce can wait for a year or more on a court date, whereas a mediation typically happens 6 to 8 months after the filing of the divorce. And it gives you an opportunity to get through all of the issues, work them out, and come to an agreement rather than waiting on a trial date. So if you have additional questions about what to expect in Georgia and divorce court, please give us a call at the Manili firm.